Welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So today, I've arranged my client to show you guys the completed project at this Swee Road. Okay, I have already uploaded 3 parts of the videos, and I hope you guys have already watched those. So today will be the last part of this home tour. Okay, so I hope you guys will spend some time watch this video. Okay, because it's very hard for me to arrange with my client to do a photo shoot at the same time do some filming. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look now. Okay, I would like to start at the entrance. So this is the main door, right? And once you step in, on the right hand side is where the storage is. Okay, this storage has got this bifold doors. Okay, so you open up 2 panel this way, so you bifold. So this 2 panel also, okay, you just have to fold it like that. This is quite deep, so you can put a lot of things. Okay, so once you close it, and they flush very well, right? It just looks like a feature wall. And on top you can see that I've put in the LED strip. It brightens up the dining area. Okay, so this dining area has got a dining table that is foldable. So my design was to open up the wall here. So from my previous videos, I've explained to you how I hack away this wall and make it into an open countertop. Right, so this countertop is about 90 cm, very useful. And in front you can put a stool here. My client uses it for her work. And just beside the counter has got this full height storage. So this is some very good storage space. And over here, this is the living area. So at the living area, I've designed this full height shoe cabinet with some other storage purpose, 2 open display niche, followed by a low TV feature wall. Okay, on top also there's a LED strip and a suspended TV console. So this wood laminate has got this very nice natural grains, so keep everything consistent. So if you happen to have a subwoofer, you can always put it at the side, leave some space for the subwoofer. And also remember to leave some space for your curtain, okay, because this feature wall stops here, so there's a gap for your curtain. Okay, so let's proceed to the kitchen. Okay, so at the kitchen, once you enter, there's 2 rows of low cabinet. There isn't any top cabinet, right, because they don't need this extra space. So behind the counter, if you are lacking in space, what you can do is you can slot in your washing machine and your dryer. So beside the washer is the vacuum robot. Some vacuum robot needs water inlet and outlet. Okay, this one just needs outlet. You have to refill the water tank. And this is a very nice sintered stone. Some homeowner worry that all these are going to be very busy and messy, but I think for me this is a beautiful piece of sintered stone. Okay, on the left side here also there's just a low base, some box up on top. The tabletop is brightened up by this 2 linear LED strip. These are the linear downlight, and then followed by 2 hanging lamp. Okay, this is a bit too yellowish, doesn't really match the color of this LED light. Okay, but anyway, you can always change the bulb later on. Okay, so on the right hand side here is the water dispenser, some drawers at the bottom. This is an undermount sink. So over here is the same sintered stone being used, and this is a porcelain tiles. This is not sintered stone. So it happened that the tiles has got the same pattern as the sintered stone, so I opted to use this. Okay, so I think it looks fantastic. Very beautiful feature wall or a backsplash wall for the kitchen. So at the back here, this is a 2-panel soft opening and soft closing sliding door. So let me just show you. Push. And the glass is fluted glass, right? And you can see that it closes slowly. Okay, so let's go behind to the yard area. So from my previous video, I also explained how I created this space for the vanity because of the limitation inside the toilet. Okay, because over here you can see there's just a WC. You can actually put your basin at this corner here, but then there won't be any shower. So what they needed was a shower area. That's why I had to shift the vanity out here. So I created some space, and I think it's served the purpose. It doesn't look too cramped. Okay, on top you can make a ventilation for the bathroom. Okay, so this ventilation is quite useful. Okay, so over here there's a vanity mirror with LED strip at the sides. Okay, I'm using back the same sintered stone vanity top. Okay, let's go back into the place. Okay, so if you can see, I've only used two material or two color for the entire place. One is the wood laminate, which is this, right? The other one is white laminate. So that's all. Right, the floor is slightly grayish in tone. There isn't any skirting to give that seamless look. Okay, no skirting. Right, so a lot of people worry that without skirting, when I mop the floor, will I dirty the wall? I would say yes. Right, so when you mop the floor, just be careful. Right, if you have a vacuum robot, then I'm sure you don't have this issue. Let's go to one of the bedroom. Okay, this is one of the common bedroom. Okay, so the three rooms are quite identical, so I just explain to you this common bedroom. Okay, so at the common bedroom headboard side, right, because there's a recess, so I box it up and then design some niches there. Okay, so this is the headboard, right? It's a very flat panel headboard, just enough for the LED strip, okay, with the switch here. And this is a low TV wall feature as well, okay, wall mounted. And then over here, just a 3-door wardrobe, okay. But one thing, this wardrobe is a bit different, is at the side you can still open up to put in more things, and of course you can groom yourself, okay, with a mirror. Okay, so nothing fanciful also, very straightforward because of the space limitation, right? Of course you can always custom a side table at the side there or one here, but of course you can opt out of that. I don't think it will affect anything. Okay, so for half height window, usually I would advise using blind. Okay, what kind of blind? It can be a Venetian blind, a roller blind, okay, or something that's automatic. So all this will be very neat and easy to maintain. Okay, so as you walk along the passageway, there's another bathroom. So this bathroom is strictly just for showering. Okay, so at the bathroom itself, there's this low wall, okay, with a shampoo niche, so you can put a lot of shampoo bottles on top. Over here, just a ventilation fan, top-down window. Okay, like I said, this is nothing fanciful bathroom because everything is very narrow, right? The space is very narrow. It's not very wide as well. Okay, so keep it simple, right? You have a heater, shower. I think that's good enough. Okay, other than that, try not to put in more things. Of course, you can put some plants, but it's really up to you. Let's go to the master bedroom. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom, the size is about the same as the other two common bedrooms. So I just show you. Okay, the design intent is quite similar with the 3-door wardrobe with the side access. Okay, a flat headboard. Okay, so the headboard, the button, try not to make it too low. Just on top here. Leave some space for your blind also. And then over here, this is just a recessed wall, and then some storage at the side. Quite simple, okay, nothing fanciful like I said. If you realize, can't really see the color here, but this is a very light subtle pink. Okay, maybe you can see from here. But like I say, keep it simple, right? Small bedroom. Okay, of course you can have your own personal things, but then keep it clean and nice. Thanks for watching this video. Continue to watch all my other videos and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.